It is so quiet. The wind is so strong. Is someone in my room? I want to sleep. Mom, I am scared. There is a ghost.
What happened, Bill?
Mom, I saw something flying outside the window. It's okay now, Bill. Okay, Mom.
You're okay, sweetie. Just a bad dream.
I don't like the dark. I can't sleep. I feel something in the room.
It's okay, honey. I'm here. You see? It's the same, just darker.
Oh, I see.
I understand you. Look, Bill, it is just the curtain and your teddy bear. I am always here. You are never alone. I feel better now.
Were you scared of the dark?
Sometimes, but not anymore.
Mom, please tell me a story.
Do you want a fairy tale?
Oh. No, I don't want a fairy tale.
What story do you want?
Mom, how did you sleep when you were little?
When I was little, I slept alone too. I have something special to tell you.
Really?
Yes. I will tell you more. When I was little, I lived in the countryside. Life was very simple. I helped my mom every day. I cleaned the house and washed dishes. Sometimes I cooked rice with my mom. My mom worked very hard. She always stayed with me.
Thank you, Mom. You're always with me.
Yes, just like that.
I like this story.
Sleep well, my dear. I wish you a beautiful dream.
Mom, sleep with me. Good night, Mom.